Are we recording? Oh, hi. Okay, I'm gonna make this video really quick. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Pixie. I'm sure nobody cares. Anyway, I'm wearing my hair falls tonight. I'm keeping it really low and really quick because I want to wear these for date night, but I figured I'd do an unboxing. I love DollsKill. I am not sponsored at all. I wish I was. That'd be really cool, but I'm obsessed with their shoes. I love DollsKill boots, so I ordered these a couple months ago. I love these so much. I've worn them 3 times now. They are really comfortable. They are true to size. They're demonias. And so, of course, as soon as I order these, what does DollsKill tempt me with? Pink. And what's awesome is they're called Pixie ICU. That's my name. So, of course, I was like resisting and resisting, and I was like, I have to have these boots. So, and I have to unbox them now because I'm wearing them for date night tomorrow. And they give you extra eyes, which I have not lost any eyes yet, but it's really nice that they send you extra eyes for them. So, I hate this so late, and people are sleeping, but whatever. They're just thinking I'm a crazy person who is talking to herself. They changed the box, and I'm living for it. So, being Pixie, and the fact that DollsKill, not sponsored by the way, again, named them after me, I had to have them. They are so pretty and soft, and like I said, they are super comfortable. Like, the platform actually starts right here, and it doesn't slope too far down. I said in my previous video that, I don't know if I uploaded it or not, I think it was a bust. It's probably still on my camera, but I said if you're going to wear platforms, start out easy. Don't go out and buy these if you've never walked in platforms before. But I like the laces, which I barely had to adjust on the green ones. But maybe put the eyes on the other side, but it's probably for like, if you accidentally kick one boot into the other, that's probably why they don't add the eyes to the other side, but you have the option, because they send you like 8 or 9 in a little plastic baggie. I'll just show you. In one of them, at least, maybe they stopped sending eyes. I don't know what they are. I don't know. But yeah, so green and pink, and then my mom joked that because I have both now, I could mix and match. But I already look like a crazy person in my small town, so probably will not mix and match. But they're cute. I love them. See the other side. And then you have the eyes. And then somebody, when I wore the green ones first in public, somebody said they're Sully eyes. Hashtag not sponsored by Disney, but I'm a huge Monsters Inc. fan, so I thought that was cool. So I could wear them with my Monsters Inc. Disney bow. Also, really quick before I end this, thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe. I've also been really busy with Depop at Moontrip, MOONTRIP. I will link that down below as well. So feel free to subscribe and like, and if you want to see more videos like this, really quick, like unboxings and thrifting and talking about hair and crap. Yeah. Love you guys. Pixie out.